If I say it loud, would it make it real? And if you call now, would I feel anything? When you're out on the weekends, catching up with your old friends, and do they ask you about how we've been? When you're walking home, do you think of me? How I felt it deep when you touch my skin. How easily my hands left you shivering. Didn't catch your breath.
So it doesn't work the way that I planned it, but
I don't know if we can make it out.
still a good day.
Breaking everything with a single touch.
And a beautiful
I
bird.
don't even know
If
how
it
to
flew,
make
then
us stop.
it will be a very nice video. River.
I'm about to lose you too. I'm about to lose you too. Yeah, I'm about to lose you too. If you let me go, will you let me know? And if we leave it here, or we let it go, of drive-aways on the weekends, 100 nights we no sleep.
Today is a techy day for me because I had this drone and it's damaged, so I'm gonna try to fix it and I'm gonna try to record it. So let's see if I will be able to fix its camera and gimbal system. So now we're gonna remove the ribbons that connect the camera. It's in here and it's there. Wow, good. Look at this one. So I can't believe I was able to do that. That's so difficult. Could be the most difficult thing I've done in my life. This thing is so small. Putting that ribbon is so hard. I can't believe I was able to do that. I can't believe I was able to do that. Okay, now I'm just going to put this pin in there. See this ribbon clip to be there. Cool. Oh. See how complicated this small thing is. So complicated. Look, just a small thing just to make the drone camera work. And it moves like this. It moves like this while you're flying. It moves like this. Moves like this. See? So everything should be perfect. You can see I'm trying to put these things. I already put this. They're all good. Firm. So I'm gonna try to put these ones back. Will this fit snug? Fit snugly.
damage anything. This one. That's it. This camera wire. There's the camera wire. Looks nice. Everything should be fine. This should fly. If I did the correct job, this will fly. The gimbal will work. The camera will work. Let's hope for the best. Now let's one more look at the drone systems here. This is man-made technology.
Wow, that's hard. That's hard. Anyway, I'm almost finished. So hopefully everything will be fine. I'm gonna assemble this thing. I'm gonna assemble it and let's see if it will fly and it will shoot again 4K videos that I use for my videos to make it more beautiful. So let's see if everything will work out just fine. I'm gonna remove this right now. See you guys. If it flies, I'm gonna put this on this video. Thank you very much.
I cannot believe that this thing actually works. At first it's not working. I haven't put the screws yet. But now the gimbal is perfectly working. Look. If I move the drone, it's focused. It's still focused. See? It's steady. At first it's not working, so I said, oh crap, it's not working, it's trash. But now it's working, I cannot believe it. Woo! So it's worth it. Look at this water over here. Good trees with the water there in the background, beautiful. Close up. Beautiful. Fortunately.